Hello, my name is Mohammad Asif Shabir and my assignment topic is managing wireless network using PRTG. First of all, I am giving shortly introduction about my assignment. Introduction. Modern communication depends on wireless network to deliver services across different areas areas from private use to work and factory setting. Today, rapid environment depend on wireless networks because they enable flexible connections while growing in capacity and supporting many different requirements. And the expanding usage of wireless network create new problems about speed, quality, eh, uh, protection, and the capacity limit. Effective wireless network management has become essential of organization that want to use their network to their fully extent. Wireless network management focus on three fundamental elements. Good wireless network management practice include multiple techniques to improve speed, uptime, and protection. The following aspects are particularly significant in the content. Due to shortage of time, I cannot explain everything in this short video. I can explain just topics step by step. The first one is performance metrics and optimize network operation, and the second one is scalability and flexibility, and the third one is security management, and after all the performance, and then the resource allocations. Aim and objective. The research, this research evaluate wireless network control techniques by the analysis performance monitoring tool, including PRTG. Specific objective includes first one is focus. Focus on understanding two main functional aspect of wireless network management. Second one is investigation. Investigation performance management strategies. Third one is purpose. Purpose to improve for better control of bandwidth usage, selectivity, application, response time, and the services delivery standards. Literature review. Literature review. Managing wireless network effectively involves addressing multiple functional areas of ensure reliability, performance, and security. Each of these areas plays a vital role in maintaining the operational integrity of wireless network. Below is in exploration of these critical areas. The number one is network planning and design, and the second one is configuration management, and third one is monitoring and troubleshooting, and the last is security management. After that, methodology. This study adopts a mixed methodology approach, integrations, quantitative and qualitative method to analysis wireless network management using PRTG. The first step is system setup and network configuration. Second one is implementation of PRTG sensor. Third one is performance monitoring, and fourth one is data collection and analysis, and last is evaluation and adjustment. And the after that is data. And last is evaluation and adjustment. And the after that is data analysis, qualitative data, and then quantitative data, and the key metric is bandwidth, latency, pocket loss, performance management, and discussion, and proposed solutions. And the last one is after that, the all the rules about the using of PRTG, showing in the figure diagrams. And the at the end of the all the references are included in this my assignment. And now I'm going to use PRTG. First of all, I am going to log in PRTG. This is a this is a main dashboard of PRTG, where we can see in this device. In this device, we the show is all 21 sensors, and in which 21 sensors, 7 are generated alarm, current alarm. Uh, 6 1 is down. We are here we can see all the information about the sensors, which is 6 1 is 6 in down, and 1 is going to warning, 7 up, and 7 passed. And then we go to devices, and we can we are generated discovery, add discovery group from here to add some other device to see the performance of all the sensors. Here we can see the sensor, the health of the sensor, and the ping. This one is not pinged. That one, that's why they are generated a alarm. And after that, we can see here the 2-day performance of this sensor, and the 30 days, and the 65 days. After that, the libraries. Here we can see all these mentions library, which one we can use. Here is all the sensor we can where we can see the priorities of the sensor, which one is set by ourselves. And we can see the health, and we can see they are pinged with the network and not pinged. Here is the generated alarm because it is down, not working. And alarm, and then alarm is showing us the sensor performance, which is not ping with the server, which is down, which is performance correctly. And after that, mapping, we can see with the magic map all our the network structure, our which one library, our IP address we connecting is which one, a network. After that, report we can generate, and we can edit the report after the working of the uh, effective sensors affecting sensor. And we can tag the tickets, we can tag the tickets where the next person, and for example, our manager can see the direct approach the target, and see the all the problem, and they can solve everything, each and everything. That's a short review about the PRTG network. And thank you so much.